We already started, didn't we?
Yes, we already started. Hey guys, well, we're going to be walking around the vehicle here, and G3 is going to be showing you all the bad spots, the good stuff, and basically show what we're going to have to do to this vehicle to restore it. So, you ready to get started on G?
Mm-hmm.
All right.
All the lights.
Lights, yep.
And we might get a different one of these. I don't know.
Yeah, that's not the original. I believe it's not. I've never seen one. You got to help me sand all this rust off.
Yep.
And fix all the little dings.
Yeah, and a new bumper.
Yep, a new bumper. Yep.
I don't know which one. And then we need a
cap corners.
New cap corners.
Yeah, the cap corners.
As you can see, like right down here, it's holes.
Yeah, it's rusted through.
Coming through.
All right.
Oh yeah, and this is where we get the gas filled.
Yep.
We might need to put some. Where we get our first gas in there, hopefully that clears out.
Yeah, we'll put a gas cap on it.
Look at it.
Mm-hmm.
This light's really good.
Mm-hmm.
And then when we come over to this light, it's kind of a spaghetti mess.
Yep, sure
it's
is.
like spaghetti.
Needs to be rewired, doesn't it?
This thing right here.
The bumper.
Really strong, but we need to replace it because whenever you look at it, see how my finger's going straight, it comes off.
Yep.
Then it joins right back right there.
Yep.
Right here's really bent. We need to replace this metal.
Where at? Oh yeah, right here.
Everywhere.
Yeah.
And
the bed of the truck. The bed of the truck. Yeah.
Trunk.
We're going to put the new. It's a wood floor that goes in here.
And maybe we need to yeah, but first before we do that, we need to like.
What's that?
We need to
Disassemble it.
We also need to replace the tires. As you can see, these.
Mm-hmm.
We're gonna use these for all of them though. And you see this.
It needs to be replaced. Yep.
Those two in the front, I think.
Yep.
The rust, we need to get rid of this.
Yeah, we're going to change out the fender, eliminate this
dent
bubble. No, that's where a tire was.
Oh,
the spare tire used to go right there.
Little bubble.
We're gonna
As you can see, there's hole right there.
Yep, we're gonna fix that.
And rust, we need to repaint this.
Yeah, we're gonna repaint it.
Red and black.
Red and black.
Like red with just red and then have like black stripes. But if y'all think of better colors, please tell us, cause that's what Dad decided on red and I said black stripes. So
we just have to wait and see, but that's a good idea.
Just gotta wait and see. Comment down below, tell us the colors, and we might do it.
That's right. Okay, so look here. I don't know what the person was thinking about this. Check this out.
He cut it out.
Somebody cut something. But
I don't know why. He just cut it. He just cut.
Yeah.
And well, this we need to replace.
This is where the window goes in.
This is where. Okay.
Yeah, they have panels in it.
We need to replace this. Put some metal around that maybe.
Yep.
Yes, definitely cut this off because he already cut it.
Yeah, but we'll have to weld it back. We'll fix all that.
Try to weld it. Yeah.
All right, so look here.
And then, as you can see in here, we need to put metal right here, where like a window can go through. I think we might go somewhere to do that. As you can see, we need to replace the floor, the seats.
The seats, yep.
The back, the light.
The light.
The window.
Windows. Yeah.
This window and then that one. And the floor definitely.
Yeah. The floor panel.
The brake pads. The emergency brake and all that. We might get a new steering wheel and a new one of these. We don't know yet.
Yeah. The dash is in excellent condition.
Yes. And then these are really good.
Yeah.
These are pretty good.
Yeah. These look really good.
We need to take out the metal and take out the glass because it's fogging up.
Mm-hmm.
So that's really good. And
hey, so let's look at.
We just need to get off the rust. That's our big problem. Just the rust and holes.
Let's take a look at.
As you can see, we're about to show you under the truck. And we gotta replace like all the stuff over here.
Yeah.
If you look over here.
The frame looks like it's in good shape.
The frame is like really good.
But like you pointed out earlier, you saw some cab rust.
Cab rust.
Let's see.
It was the frame.
Yeah, it's okay. But look, we're all learning. Here we go. Here it is. The cab rust. We're going to be pulling the cab all the way off. So we can get underneath it and all that stuff. So
And
be able to
as
work
you can
it.
see, there's some holes that I didn't show y'all, like right there,
Oh yeah.
maybe here, right here. That's a big problem.
Where's that at?
It's like right there. It's really tiny, and this one's really kind of hard to miss.
That's all right.
And there's a few holes like right there. No, it's cool.
Guys, we're fixing to wrap this up. Basically, what we're going to be doing is putting out videos as fast as possible on this 1953 Chevrolet on the restoration part. G3 is going to be basically doing most of the work. I'm going to be doing some of the work too. I'm going to be teaching him. It's going to be a good project for us to work on.
Father and son project.
That's right, father and son. And just stay tuned and watch for some more videos. And we're going to get them out when? As soon as possible?
As soon as possible.
All right.
And we're going to try our best to do one every day, but I cannot guarantee.
Yeah, but hey, we got to keep the honeydew list going.
Yeah, the honeydew list.
Yeah, if we get behind on the honeydew list, it's not good, and she won't let us work on the truck. All right, so anyways, y'all take it easy. We'll see y'all soon on the next video. G2 out.
G3 out.